Hi everyone, excited to be back after the TDX event, showcasing the real use case, another real use case of using the Agentforce for pre-sales. So at the TDX event during networking, a person sitting next to me turned and asked, "What does it really take to set up Agentforce for service?" So if you are in sales or new to Agentforce, that question can be tough to answer on the spot. Luckily, I had Agentforce for pre-sales. I quickly opened Slack message agent for pieces and said, at TDX event, I'm discussing agent force for service basic initial setup for a potential customer. And as expected, agent force asked for more details. Since I didn't have the answers myself, I replied, can you figure it out yourself for a basic and initial setup of agent force for service? But notice that before proceeding, agent force asked for the currency. And this is specifically for that for so that the hallucination is really less and there is more data mix. Agent Force filter the rules and rates with behind the scenes in the cortex, ensuring an accurate and tailored estimate without any hallucinations. So once I confirm the currency, Agent Force quickly responds with the detailed breakdown, outlining the high level scope, assumptions, and effort needs for the setup. Even though I had the high level overview, I still wasn't fully confident. So I asked Agentforce for a more detailed list of scopes and, and the activities involved. Agentforce quickly provided the scope list. I knew what the next question would be by the customer. So it would be what the cost do we get to get it done. And without wasting any time, I asked Agentforce for the cost estimate. But instead of giving a vague answer, Agentforce smartly asked a counter question. What are the rates for each role? And I quickly respond, use my rate cards defined in the Cortex. And magic. Agent Force delivered a step by step calculated dollar value, providing a rough estimate for the basic and initial setup of Agent Force for service. I then shared this dollar value with the customer, adding a bit of a buffer to ensure we had room to secure the budget. And that's it. See how efficiently and relatively at very quick speed you were able to answer a question for which others are taking days or weeks to respond.